How to fix HP laptop not detecting external monitor. Step 1. Manually detect the external monitor. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, select System and then click Display from the left panel. Scroll down to the Multiple Display section. Click the Detect button to make Windows 10 search for any connected external monitors. Wait a few seconds while Windows checks for another display. If your external monitor is detected, it should start working immediately. If Windows still cannot find the monitor, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Step 2. Change the display projection mode. Press Windows plus P on your keyboard. This will open the Project menu on the right side of the screen. Select Duplicate to show the same screen on both displays. You can also choose Extend if you want to use the external monitor as a second screen. Check if your monitor is detected after changing the setting. Step 3. Refresh the graphics driver. If the monitor is still not detected, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. Your screen may briefly flicker or go black for a second. This keyboard shortcut refreshes the graphics driver without restarting the computer and can often fix display-related issues. Step 4. Verify the display adapter is enabled. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters category. You may see an Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA graphics adapter. Right-click the adapter. If you see Enable Device, click it to enable the adapter. If the adapter is already enabled, you can try disabling it and then enabling it again to refresh it. After that, check whether the external monitor is detected. Step 5. Reinstall the graphics driver. If the issue continues, return to Device Manager. Right-click your graphics adapter and select Uninstall Device. If prompted, check the option to remove the driver and then click Uninstall. Next, expand the Monitor section. Right-click your monitor entry and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Once both devices have been removed, restart your HP laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary drivers after the restart. Step 6. Perform a power reset. If the monitor is still not detected, completely shut down your laptop. Disconnect the charger and unplug all connected devices, including HDMI and USB cables. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This removes any residual electrical charge that may be causing hardware issues. After 30 seconds, reconnect everything and turn the laptop back on. Now check if the external monitor is working. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the external monitor detection problem on your HP laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.